Okay guys, it's another day in paradise. Today, as usual, we're really busy. We got an Infinity, we're doing a 4-piece home. We got a 750 Li BMW. Both wheels are bent and cracked. We're gonna bang this out in less than a few hours. I got something special on the plate. Got a customer had this car towed here. It's a Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini. All wheels are the same to us. You know, we fix Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsche, Tesla, Bentleys, Rolls Royce, you name it. But this car, the wheels are smashed up really bad. If you take a look at the back wheel here, it's all eaten up. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to take this wheel and we're going to make it look like brand new. I'm going to have to weld it here, weld it there. And once I weld it, I'm going to have to put the cuts and the lines and reshape this wheel to where you will never know that it was gouged up and bent and chipped and things of that nature. So we're going to move this car and put some cones around it. We take very special care when we get high dollar vehicles like this. We make sure that we put it in a spot where you don't get any chips, dings, scratches. We make sure customers don't go trying to open the doors and touch it, because this is about a day or two process. We want to make sure the car is going to be just as good shape as it was when he brought it to us, minus the wheels. The wheels are going to look better. Bentley over here we're doing some work on. Got an old school, what is this, a Cutlass? Monte Carlo, old school Monte Carlo. We're doing some work on. We got a Cadillac CTS right here. It's pearl white. We're doing the wheels to match the car, pearl white. All right, we're going to liquid paint these wheels. Got a Jaguar next to it. We're going to black it out. We're going to do the wheels in black. And this car is the dashboard. You see here how the leather is peeling back from the dashboard? We're going to fix that. It's a very meticulous customer. It's about an 8-year-old car, but as you see, she still got the tags on the seat as if it was brand new. This car's in mint condition, except for the dash here peeling back. We're going to fix that. So we do leather, we do trim, we do sunroofs, we do blackout packages, car wraps, wheel repair. We do some of it all. So HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why you can trust bringing your car to us. We've touched them all. We worked on them all. We're very familiar with them. Wheels are wheels. But Lamborghini is a little different. We got to take special pride and care in jacking up this car and taking the wheels off and treating this car with a delicate knit glove. So if you want your car done right, HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best.